What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage, and today we're going to go ahead and get into some live IAA bidding today. We have Randy's Jaguar XJR popping up, and a couple of other interesting vehicles. So it's a bonus video for y'all today. Let's look and see what things are going for, and let's see what these vehicles go for. But let's go ahead and roll the intro, and then we'll jump right into today's live auction. And I think we might have one or two vehicles that we could possibly win. What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage. We're in the live auction now over at IAA. We're going to look at about 10 to 12 vehicles. Definitely want to see what the auto auction rebuilds Jaguar XJR goes for. That is coming up at the end of today's video, so you don't want to miss that. Now, I'm not going to leave you guys quiet. We're going to sit here and chop it up and talk and all that good stuff. But I am about to go through a gate here shortly at Fort Sill, Oklahoma. So I will have to sit y'all down when I do that. But outside of that, I don't know, man. This I keep saying this over and over again. And the reason why I do these videos, like, look at this, is the actual cash value, right? $29,000. Let's call it 30, right? Like, where it is right now is already 50% of retail, right? And then you're looking at $18,000 estimated in repairs. And even if you did your own labor and whatnot and blah, 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 and saved a bunch of money, you could literally buy one used that's already sorted for the price that you're buying it at the auction after you fix it. This is why I consistently say, when you're bidding at the auction, if it goes over a third of retail, unless it's something super rare and something you know it's going to appreciate, like, say, a Ferrari or, like, say, a Lamborghini Countach or something like that, walk away, man. Walk away. People get too emotionally invested into what they're bidding on, and that's why we're seeing prices so high. And here's the thing. It's not just people in their feelings. Like, F that, I'm not going to let that guy win, because that happens in every auction, right? But it's also inflation, what money's worth right now, and the used car market. So somebody's, a dealer is probably bidding on this and like, yo, I can get Bob, who will work for a 24-pack of beer and $100 to tighten up some of the body, and I could get Jerry to do the interior. Like, and you got dealers that do that, and they do make money off of that specifically. Like, that's a thing. Like, they definitely can make money doing that. I just don't see it, man. I'm just like, And this one, like, they're over 50% of retail now. You're over 50% of retail. That doesn't make any damn sense. None. It makes no sense to me. You're over 50% of retail, and you're gonna have to pay about the same in what you buy the truck for in repairs. It's kind of like, huh? You know what I'm saying? Huh? But like I also say, you can't fix stupid, man. Some people will just pay. Like, when I got the GTO, for real, for a steal. Being that, Randy got the vehicle at Copart, I think, for a little bit more after fees and whatnot. So, getting it for what I got for, which I think was like, what, 47.40 or whatever out the door. That's the very next week we saw another one in similar condition with a busted out rear window go for $8,000. So sometimes it's also about being at the right place at the right time as well. Reserve off. This one right here, man. This is a hamster car, man. I don't care if it's 2019. It's the hamster mobile. What's the retail on this? 20,000 mile. Actual cash value is 11 grand. And you dumb, man, 5 grand? Yo, y'all are tripping today. And here's the thing. IAA is not really, isn't usually this bad. IAA is usually pretty decent on their bids and whatnot. They're not usually crazy.
Reserve off.
It's not usually like ridiculously overpriced. Does that make sense? Like, it's not usually like this is my main thing here. Like, it's usually, you can get some good deals at IAA if you pay attention and you hang out for the auction. So 5,100. What's the actual cash value on the, and it's got 80,000 miles. Actual cash value 10 grand. So they're going 50% of retail on basically every damn car today. The 2020 Honda sedan, Honda Accord sedan Sport, I can see that. That one's worth 22,000. Now they're gonna bid this up. We're gonna be here for a while because they're gonna bid this thing up to oblivion, dude. Watch what I tell you. Look at that. We're getting close to 50%. Jesus.
Reserve off.
Wow. They're bugging, man. Over 50% now. Over 50% of retail. And think about this. You still got to do 16,000 in repairs. You're over retail. Oh, man. Now, this one is dealer only. When you see the button where I can't bid, that means only dealers can bid on this, and that's why this is going for the price that it goes for, because there's not a lot. See, 2,700 bucks. There's not a lot of dealers bidding. Toyota Camry SE. These are good cars. 101,000 miles on it. It's worth 11,800, and we're already over 50% of retail. Now, there are parts readily available all over the country for these, but with okay, think about this. Yes, I know it can run for 250,000 miles or longer. It is a Toyota Camry. It has hail damage. It has a busted rear window, and you dummies are at 7 grand on the car. I don't understand it, man. I really don't get it. I don't understand. This is like, we should just call this BDSM auction bidding, because you know, the reason why I say that is because, like, y'all just like punishing yourselves, man. And then people will be like, TK, why didn't you bid today? Because I'm not a sucker, man. I'll wait. Maybe because it's, you know, we're getting towards payday or something. People have a little bit extra money. I don't know, man. But y'all are bugging. Let me get my ID out. I'm about to go through this gate. Oh, boy. I'm talking about straight tripping, though. Straight tripping. Ooh, the gate's busy. The gate is busy. They got 2 lanes. That's rare. Usually we don't get no 2 lanes. Not at this gate. All right, here we go. And this is dealer only. This one's hail damage. What is it, diesel? Oh, this one's cash value is 44 grand. Yeah, we're gonna be here for a minute. We're gonna be here for a minute on this one.
How are we doing this morning?
Good, yourself?
Pretty good. You have a great day.
Thank you. All right, we are in here like swimwear. Man, I can't believe that. See, now that one truck that just went probably went for a reasonable price dealer-wise. You know what I'm saying? Let me see. I was about to say, what's this one look like? Not too terrible at 1,500. It's not a run and drive though. Stationary. So a non-running and driving truck. It is a 06. And it's $1,600. Woo! I don't know, that's too much money too. Alright, let's see. A Volkswagen Beetle GLS 02. It's at $325 dealer only. It's worth $500. That's funny.
Reserve off.
A Chrysler 200 Limited, huh? Let's go. $400 for a Chrysler 200 with a crap motor, I think, too, right? Oh, no, it's got the 2.4, but it's still... Oh. Econoline van, mechanical damage, 200,000 miles. Probably needs a motor.
Reserve off.
Yep, it's got a 6-cylinder. Yeah, this thing needs a motor, man. You're buying a shell. You're going to have to put a motor in it. But you could turn it into RV life. It's possible you could turn it into that van life joint all day. You definitely could do it. You could definitely do it.
Reserve off.
Reserve off. Now this one, because it got hit in the rear, it's worth $51. I got a feeling we're going to be on this one for a minute, because they're going to bid this up. It's got 39,000 miles on it. It's a 2019. It is a truck. They say it's worth $51,000. And the damage from the hit in the rear doesn't look that serious, but the back window is busted out. See, now we got a couple of big fish that are gonna sit here and they're gonna bid back and forth. Yup. I hate when they do this, man. They'll walk the bid. I've seen a vehicle go for like 45 minutes one time, man. Well, they will just walk the bid. Oh, okay, I can do this all day. Ding. They'll wait. And then they wait for it to get all the way down. Ba-ding. And they try to wait out the other person. You know what I'm saying? It's just like, that don't work, man. Just bid what you want to bid. Like, set a number in your mind. Pre-bid that joint. And call it a day, man. Save everybody some time, man. Wow. Wow. I thought it was going to go, man. But they're going to do this. They're going to go back and forth with this BS. See? They're going to go back and forth with this. Look at this Dallas. Dallas and Wichita. I see y'all, man. Just back and forth all day with this slow ass. They should increase the bids, man. Make it like $1,500 bids or something if they know it's something this high. That way, like, it gets it up out the way, man. Because this right here. Okay. Well, that was a good deal at $22,700 for somebody. A 2018 Dodge Charger RT. Well, I can't see the Charger yet because it looks like we're still looking at keys from the last auction. What the hell? Suspension damage, 81,000 miles. It's only at $2,000? I got a bid on this. I can't even see it. But if it's a Charger, there it is. Oh, shit. Yo, I bid on that joint, and that joint is smashed. Yo. Woo. $3,000. I got lucky on that one. All right, Randy's car is up. It's at $1,100. Here they go. Irving, Texas. Orange Grove, Texas. I'm not getting in the way of this now. Y'all done jacked it up. $1,200. There we go. We're at $1,225. Keep reaching, man. Keep reaching. Can we get it to 2 G's? I just want to know if we can get it to 2 G's. $1,275 is what Randy's Jaguar went for. All right, guys. That's going to do it for the live auction. Crazy to see what Randy's car went for. And just a bunch of other things. Vehicles were just going for insane money today, and that's just... it's just too much for me. That's just too much for me. But, let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Questions, comments, things of that nature, put them down there in the comment section down below. And again, this was just a bonus video for you guys today. The actual video going live later on this afternoon will be like 5 or 6 o'clock Central Time, so stay tuned for that. But with that said, hit the thumbs up button if you haven't already. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.